In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Airtable Authentication with tokens, August 2023. We're going to create a secure personal access token in Airtable and configure it with only the permissions your app needs. This approach replaced legacy API keys, and it gives you better control and security through scoped access. Start by opening Airtable and navigating to your account menu. From there, head into the Developer Hub. This is where Airtable centralizes tools for developers, and it's where you'll manage your tokens going forward. Inside the Developer Hub, select Personal Access Tokens. This page lists any tokens you've already created and is the place to generate a new one. Click Create Token to get started. You'll first give your token a name. Choose something descriptive like My App Integration. The name is just for your reference, so you can quickly identify what each token is used for later. Next, choose the scopes. Scopes define exactly what your token can do. The principle here is least privilege. Only grant what your integration truly needs. For example, if your app needs to read and write records and understand the structure of a base, you might select data, records, read, data.records, write, and schema, bases, read. The first allows reading records, the second allows creating and updating records, and the third allows reading metadata like tables and fields. If your use case is read-only, stick to data.records. Read and omit write access. Keeping scopes narrow helps protect your data if a token is ever exposed. You'll also see an option to limit the token to specific bases. This is a powerful safety feature. If your integration only interacts with a few bases, select just those. That way, even with valid scopes, the token can't access anything outside the bases you specify. When your name, scopes, and base restrictions look right, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token and display it once. This is your only chance to copy it, so take a moment now to securely store it. Treat it like a password. Use a trusted password manager or a secure secrets store, and avoid saving it in plain text or sharing it in messages or screenshots. That's it. You've created a personal access token with the right scopes and base limits. Keep track of which app uses which token, and rotate or revoke tokens if they're no longer needed. With these settings in place, your integration can authenticate to Airtable cleanly and safely.